What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Another video, another product for the GSF. Let me open it up and show you what I got for it. Does this give it away? Does this give it away, guys? 1 and 2. If you saw my previous video, you saw that I bought coilovers for the GSF. So this is rear camber arms, so we could adjust the rear camber on the GSF so we don't go and eat through rear tires like crazy with negative camber. Because even on stock suspension, the GSF is known to have a little bit of camber wear, inner camber wear on the rear tires. So with this setup, we'll be able to adjust the camber so it's, not going to be 0, maybe like a -1 degree, 1.5, just so we could get rid of that camber wear. So that's what I got here. Same thing as in the other side, left and right. Video on the install will be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. You'll see these get installed on the car and I'll show you how to do it.